Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use green screen on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch on TikTok and tap the plus button at the bottom to start creating a new video. Then on the record screen, tap the effects on the left side of the record button. Then look for the green screen icon, a small photo with an arrow or a person outline. There are two types. Green screen background lets you use the photo or video from your gallery as the background. Then green screen video allows a video background instead of a photo. After that, select a photo or video from your gallery or start recording. Then position yourself in front of the camera, press the hold record button to film while TikTok replaces the background with your chosen image. And after that, you can add filters, text, music, or stickers as usual. Then tap next, then write your caption, and post your green screen TikTok. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.